did you put him on the stop list? And maybe, sir, now of you see a lot of people saying it's the office of the special prosecutor. No, those are the president about Bonteba Kasa. But you see, it is a wake-up call for Kisia Jabin. It's a wake-up call for him. If the president, yes, President Naba Bonteba Kasa is premature, but he's expecting you to do and do better. No, it's a wake-up call for you. Who are you, my? Me Kisia Jabin by your fact, case back Kisia Jabin dear was when dear Kisia Jabin, where your flagship case, where your case is so, Yadia Coco, Kabichemi.
For aha Ghana 7TVGH, make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For Addo bakwa eye NDC for memory HRM say patience. No matter what is going on around you, learn to be patient. We must all do this. We must all learn to be patient. Now, the reason I'm saying this is Ushe Nsema course Ebrana MPP power. The way Kofro Bebre wa NDC for a manufacture Nsem edit two omuso. Na Nsema wodi two omuso odi Nsem no odi compare nipa na macho pepepepe entu pe fili say enukre. Na enna NDC for umwaba power. The kind of revelations that are coming out to show, say, not knowing most of Nsema NDC for authority MPP in Penifonian, most of them may intro. One of those main issues, say, yeah, my Mrs. Dapaah on one sika, I wanted them. Any housemaid, eko yaskan. Now, my meno, not a minister, and to be a minister, dear, anchor. Or better using national security. Any some illegal means to retrieve the money. Uko mind be more. Uko we are minister's car. Unko reporting my police. Uko kidnap you crowd. Manko for kidnap you. Eko mafia or baby crana. Na ye just cannot free one ye kun etu chini. But my many anyen sir. Uko police station as a law-abiding citizen. And uko report ya asem. And asem no court. Sa asem court no. Instead, say Ghanaians, your boy is mama minu say, wow, she still respected the rules of engagement when she could have gone around it. Sorry, to mamenu to the extent mamenu continue fie. And see wow, and a papa friend kisi jaben. Drones, media, freezing mamini account, and all those things. To the extent that sometimes a court granted ruling but say yentem na freeze a mamina account and yes and yebesin enye enkoyi. And beyond all these things no emi Dapaah and ne a Franco Yejuma or Lawson TV about the abontia beka say Sister Dapaah ni born in channel adentia because Cecilia who say sano mamini wanyeshi. And the way a journalist for edi victimizing mami, edi kansema, enyen kre etia mameno. Mi Dapaah and ne. On more journalists na muba bonte beka say they were misled. And whilst they admitted they were misled, no, they should use this as a lesson because as we are speaking now, NDC4 are still trying to victimize a lot of appointees that have worked in the previous government. But vindication is a womb of time. The moment competent court of jurisdiction say, that person should be presumed innocent. Now Ghana media for more person dodo are there accurate reportage the mumpe. Every time you want to drive agenda, person must sell bidding, hard-earned reputations. And it's not good that way. It's not the best for our nation. And tell me there, let's go and listen to Franco as he apologized to Mami, Cecilia Dapaah. Mami, Ghanaians are sorry, journalists are sorry. Don't go anywhere. The video is up next. I'll see you in the next one.
Why did you put him on the stop list? And maybe, sir, now you see a lot of people saying it's the office of the special prosecutor. No, those are the president about Bonteba Kasa. But you see, it is a wake-up call for Kisia Jabin. It's a wake-up call for him. if the president, yes, president number one, say premature, but he's expecting you to do and do better. No, it's a wake up call for you. Who are you, my? Me kise jabe ba your fact me case pa kise jabe dia was we dia kise jabe where your flagship case where your case so ye dia kokota kwa kodim kunim da ka bi kire me mami we have not been fair to the woman Dapaah offer we have not been fair including journalists we have not been fair e do baby ase mam na bokro mam na wieska man teda sa bankra ba bonte be government of Ghana say sika ira wo e do baby look at the way we feed on this particular woman e ko pie mo court e ko kosi say
na why then so
why
office of the special prosecutor
me so about this particular mo freeze my main account or a do baby high court said you have to unfreeze it and maybe say kise jabe mba how many years ni kise jabe came in around 2021 August and they sworn in as the OSP say me case wo dia cause we dey convince we case kese Ghana ha obi e kan wa say dey court e kwa dim kun ka kire me
that's a case bi ani ho a na ezo ko di case
o say
case bi ani ho so di no ezo di case
offer kise jabe mba asem bi aba bonti bi ye heavy bia no me maintain ho asem bi asem akwa asem bi
and you can say baby that say and I say waste me about MPP 8 years of media attorney general
yes
for no case ben pano mu
the attorney general mandated to deal with a lot of cases but where they near peculiar to corruption
entina make us a corruption be ni wa onkonko to be no fanko court onko we
meba say unim nenta more problem unim say people even have the perception right now say kero for that the bonye diska
it doesn't matter a perception obi abetimi adwen de tete odwen but as you're saying say menchire one case a wakodia a landmark case bi abetimi akase na make say case bi ni ho saa why must
any case bi ni ho case
bi na get opposite
meba
odia word
meba of a case bi ni ho dia and I be a union case baby there. Then we should allow the attorney general to handle this kind of cases.
Oh, and yes, sir, you should allow the attorney general. You go, I can be a friend say Namdo don't say one attorney general or dealing with so many other cases. And we are here, attorney general office nangaza.
Yes,
yet and a design.
I check.
And Martinami Dubai now Kisia Jabing. Ebi enya landmark case bi aba media say why boni bi why be but ya ko say oni case bia ebia for example issue bia ba case bi corrupt case bi
yes
want to be any attorney general Akufo dia sama
baba
yes
of aboame
something.
If you look at the SML deal now they are saying say Ken Oforiatta now when it comes to causing financial loss to the state it's around $100 million till or say powers be above him and when you conduct investigations I didn't say it powers above him. They paddle and meddle themselves into the kind of investigation that he wanted to do. And now they will hear you. So be it tonight, you person
or say powers above
him
or no Kisia.
Yeah, Kisia Jabe.
Where did he stated that?
Go and read Nancy Mwaka. When it comes to SML deal, the reason why you couldn't do investigations about Ken Oforiatta. Go and read. And I was extremely surprised. Not just surprised, extremely.
But you see, on say okay, you will leave that.
I was an engineer day, and
one major issue is that I do Ghana. Mommy play the ostrich.
Yes,
I say your name said the United. Opa, my issues is here. Kese pa emra.
Yes,
but you always see general OSP.
Yes,
now emfa a sitting government. Ebi and the finance minister.
Thank you.
You just don't wake out of the blue. Now, what's that here?
Yes.
You need certain document,
certain
information. When sad document, you know, because the government and 8 cohort are sitting on it, it becomes difficult
for you. Of Abuame, we are one person. I will meet you. So, yes, so. Now the programs manager always want to dictate it for you. You not allow it. Do you know why? Because who Jumudi Martinami to say the reason why he's resigning. And your office not the reason why he's resigning is say Akufo do man come and investigations and your own integrity and credibility is at stake, so he's resigning. On your money be. Thank you.
You have been so
yes,
but you see, there are always ways. One aspect of Abia Matnamidu the say he will fight and run away. Maybe
yes,
but Obi be submit me a catch or say I will fight and fight again.
Thank you
till Abia many results.
Thank you.
Obiani the way I handle the issue.
Thank you.
Martin Amidu, let's ask ourselves. Martin Amidu fighting running away. Corruption stopping. That's it. Corruption still persists.
I get you.
And if you live to fight and run away, you live to fight another day. Obisi onu waba. Investigation now there's another government or good investigations. I mean, when offer way you know the Beshedi Papa Kutina the conclude say, oh, NOB it then goes back for you to ask questions. Say now even a banasa office independent and say the
independent and independent
and the Ghana for and be a
thank you
and let's not fast 7 shed the office. They are there, they don't know what to do. If we all want to fight corruption,
ultimate responsibility lies at the doorstep of the leader. Your morning show you. So no man when me as
the leader, they'll come to me.
Thank you.
But the fact of the matter also remains. I can choose and run away. It doesn't mean say morning show but I can also choose say I'll stay and fight.
Thank you.
That is what I'm saying.
Meba. So I want to ask.
Our tenure of office.
7 years.
Yes, our tenure of office.
Yes.
And sewing.
And sewing.
And the mampenia would draw abba. You mean yet we transit mampeni with the
yes.
But on Kasawa resign.
I get you.
On Kasawa resign.
I get
it. For so fighting. Ebi o why ye.
By me offer.
That is you.
The special prosecutor has not convinced me at all. Convince me at all. Me unconvincing me at all. Unconvincing me. Because Cecilia Jabe, Urban, if you look at a man for expectations and then was so thinking, say, Papa, me, I did back man who me one work was even in relation to Cecilia Dapaah case. A big baby square fast, so I did my fast, so including journalists, court of public opinion. Mami yeska wabokron why say you're freezing account a court of content jurisdiction whereby we're doing cross examinations.
Okay, so as we are all saying, it is not about the personality over there. You bet you have 5 years to Christ to if say they okay, and you're independent or doing yajuma. You bet you have anti-corruption one free baby say a banner office and yet on your independent obey me and sound be na juma on to be your foot me can say the office is not about personality.
I get you.
It is about the office.
To work.
It is about say your bema office no any free hands to operate not obey na juma ye. Other than that, don't forget it. And come here, I will support the scrap.
And politicians are not going to allow you to have a free hand.
If that is the case, then that is how it is going to be. Because me say, high profile corrupt cases be a mind. Bibian play to the gallery. We are playing the ostrich as ye politicians. They always want to defend their own. They will always defend their own. They will always defend their own until say you be moving away from that.
And I'm not we should scrap it. Oh,
you know honum sa. Ya ba be din komo kakra e wo eye adusa na ya
Juma, Mayimu, and Nuntin, a yomu, and on don't let us ridicule ourselves. My Nuya whence, say, Ghana for now to about boom. And my message and this for almost they don't learn. Go and check the facts over there. 2016 and 2024 election, I acquire. Go and check the margin and see, say, the difference. And now you're saying, and you're Ghana for the drona and the tuaba at the Mama Hammer, and Nuntino may say. Because of chrono, the ordinary Ghanaian, chrono, any indiscipline, see open Mahama, didn't make us who shall paperless, yeah, cause we port, who call NHIS and ne, who Nesikana, where Jia, and some of my NHIS and effective. Because paperless, no, yeah, first he can't find Bamba show bottom, Nemo Sikanaba Kobe, Binia, you so dear, yeah, and Adiama or Vino, Amani Pado Drona, and Yason for so me Pachawatia, and no see NDC or your PhD holder, acquire. or your headmaster or senior high school cry a crowd for because Pemahama and this Yabaya Manaba. No Ababa Yaniama Trokana, they didn't collect school, Yatama collect free Zazugu Tatale, Ababa to Manfi. The who now a day, no what's yes, Katuchi the Yedi, Amma and Ne or for so the night, just a bala party.
Opa, one man can say, yeah, best program this is your offer.
Now,